Hello guys, I'm back with one more unboxing video today. This is the one I received from Amazon. This is a nose hand trimmer, which we'll see how it is. I'm just unboxing, opening it. This is the one. Go this here. This is the nose trimmer. I got from Amazon actually. Let's open it and see. And we have the instruction manual. We have a charging cable. And we have the trimmer. Then open it and then start using for ear and nose cleaning. It's a simple device. You can open it and for cleaning. Then remove this and clean. This is when it's just cut. This can open and clean. And now it works. And clean the nose, ear, nose and everything and clean it. This is called a charging port. It's a charging port. I hope you like the video. This is a brand is Clean Fly. I hope you like the video.